This is a brief instructional video on how to access PowerSchool's parent portal for students at Barstow Memorial School. First, you're going to need to be able to access the login page, and that's at rnesu.powerschool.com/public, and this is linked through the Barstow website as well. Once you access this page, you will be prompted to give a student username and password, and that information has already been passed out. But if you need information, please contact me, Jamie Gallagher, and I will give you that information as soon as possible. Once you log in, you are going to be prompted and taken to a grades and attendance page. And this is a student who doesn't exist. I created a student to show you what you'll be looking at to help you along the process. And this is very much the same as what it's been in years past. You still have the attendance on the left-hand side, student schedule in the middle, and the only difference is that on the right-hand side now under T1, T2, and T3, you are now seeing blue dashes. Those are links. You can open those up. But what you are not seeing on this page is a score, because we're no longer following PowerSchool's traditional form of grading. We are using the standards-based. So if you open up these dashes, you will still be able to see the teacher's gradebook, and what it will present to you is where the student is on turning assignments in. It'll also show you what the scores are in comparison. So what you're looking at here is you are looking at assignments, the date they were due. You will see this white and orange asterisk, which at the bottom, if you look at the key, it says assignment is not included in final grade. And you will see the score here out of 5. Now, one thing to clarify for you is that these assignments do count in the final grade. It's just that PowerSchool automatically averages. So the teachers have had to set this so it doesn't configure it, doesn't average it. So that's why you see assignment is not included in grade. These assignments are included, but we have turned this setting off so it doesn't show a grade in the traditional 80 to 85 to 90 to 100 grade setting level. So I know that sounds complex, but that's how we've had to do this. So this is simply an area where teachers are storing data for parents to see if students have completed the work. That's it. In order to see the overall grades for honor roll, for those types of things, if you click on the standards grade tab right at the top, it will show you where your child is in comparison to standards. Now you will notice that for this student, they have standards for just about everything in their language arts class. So they have scores. And those scores are from the most recent assignment. So for example, students took a grammar quiz and they received a 2 on that. That 2 is the most recent assignment, therefore that is their score. It's not an average, it's not the highest, it is the most recent. You'll also notice that this student has a lot more classes, but in this standards grades tab, it's only showing these. That's because so far these are the only teachers who have inputted data for this student. As the trimester progresses, you will see all standards show up because teachers will be filling those in. So no standard on the page means the teacher has not filled in that information. Okay? Please make sure, if you have any questions, you email me immediately or you ask your student's teacher, because this should be as clear as possible for you folks. Thank you very much.